All right, and you found the quick review for adding integers. So remember, this is just a quick review. Hey, what's the concept? Think of them as positives and negatives. There are 5 negatives here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there are 7 positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And remember, 5 of these negatives get wiped out by 5 of the positives. They're gone. They wipe each other out. What's left? 2 positives. What's the solution? Positive 2, right? That's the idea. All right, that's the idea. 5 of the negatives wiped out 5 of the 7 positives. There's 2 positives left. Okay, so remember, we trained your brain. So when you see a problem like this, you know automatically that the one with the least, 35, wiped out 35 of these. So count from 35 to 50 and figure out how many are left. And the answer is 15, right? And what was the most negatives? So there's 15 negatives left. Hey, that's the idea. It's that easy, right? 35 positives wiped out 35 of the 50 negatives, and there's 15 negatives left. So you get a problem like this, right? 12 of those positives wiped out 12 of the 42 negatives. So how many negatives are left if 12 of them got wiped out? There's 30 negatives left, right? I mean, that's all we're doing. That's all you're doing. 12 of the 12 positives wiped out 12 of those negatives, and there's 30 left. Okay, let's apply that to a fraction. All right, first off, let's think we need a common denominator, right? So I need a 6 on the bottom here. Let me get my blue. And so I'm going to multiply it by 2 on the bottom. Whatever I do the bottom, do the same thing the top. So what do I have now? Negative 5/6 plus 4/6, right? And now I'm ready to add the numerators. And look, again, piece of cake. So what am I adding? 5 negatives and 4 positives. These 4 positives wipe out 4 of the negatives. What's left? 1 negative, right? Oops, wanted that to be red. Let me get my red. So 1 negative is left, and of what's? Of the sixths, negative 1/6. Look, adding positive and negative numbers, whether it's just the numbers themselves or adding fractions, it doesn't matter. If you just understand that the one with the least wipes out that amount of the one with the most, and you have to figure out how many are left of the one with the most. It's actually what's going on. Once you get the knack of it, it goes pretty quickly, and that's the idea with adding integers.